Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite louder. So in the first step we have to open the Google Play Store and then tap on the search bar and look for the volume booster app. Choose one of them. I'm using that one, so we can launch it now. Now tap on the don't allow or allow, how you wish, and now decide that you want to click 3 times yes agree or no thank you, and close the window. Now tap on OK and the tool is active. If you want to boost your volume power, just swipe it to the right to the 16%, so just adjust it to your needs. And now if you go back to the home screen, the tool is still active at the background. If you close the app from the background apps, the tool is still active. So if you want to disable it, open it from the home screen and tap on the stop service, configure it by OK, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.